You know that feeling. It's the end of a long day, your knees are maybe a bit tight, your back is definitely making itself known, and the absolute last thing you want to do is stand over a hot stove for an hour. Honestly, sometimes just the thought of chopping an onion feels like running a marathon. I totally get it. Millions of older adults know exactly what that's like. But here's the catch. What happens when that exhaustion keeps us from getting the nutrients we desperately need? Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into some fascinating source material that completely transforms how we can fuel our bodies, literally without ever turning on the stove. Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap. We're going to cover the reality of aging, the incredible power of protein, how to fuel your brain, hydration and essential habits, and we'll wrap up with the best part, easy, no-cook solutions.
Let's jump right into part 1. The reality of aging and its unseen biological challenges.
1 to 2%. That right there is the startling amount of muscle mass older adults naturally lose every single year. It's a biological phenomenon that really isn't just about looking a bit thinner. It quietly creeps up on you, year after year, until one day you suddenly find yourself struggling to open a standard pickle jar, or maybe climbing a flight of stairs feels way harder than it did just a few years ago.
So, the crucial concept here is what scientists call sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is exactly that, the age-related decline in muscle mass, and it explains why our mobility, our balance, and our overall physical function kind of get compromised over time. Think about it. Nearly half of all the protein in your body is locked up in your muscles, so losing that mass is a direct threat to your independence, and it dramatically increases the risk of frailty and falls. And honestly, it is so incredibly easy to miss the subtle warning signs that our bodies are silently struggling. Because these nutritional challenges develop so gradually, you might not even notice unintended weight loss or this lingering, ongoing fatigue right away. You might just brush off a reduced appetite or a little bit of dizziness as, simply getting older. But make no mistake, these are glaring warning signs of poor nutrition, and they demand our attention well before they lead to a hospital visit.
That brings us to section 2, the power of protein and how we actually go about rebuilding your strength.
Now, it is totally fascinating to see how the standard nutritional advice shifts as we get older. A younger adult might only need 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, but an older adult, you actually require 1.2 to 1.6 grams. Why the big jump? Well, as we age, our body's ability to absorb and actually use protein just drops. Your older muscles literally demand significantly more protein just to maintain and rebuild themselves. So yeah, you actually need more protein now than you did when you were 40. To hit those higher targets, you're going to need high-yield sources, because nobody wants to eat endless plates of food all day, right? You might think you have to eat a heavy 3-ounce beefsteak to get 24 grams of protein, but look at the data here. A simple cup of low-fat Greek yogurt packs the exact same amount. Plus, it's rich in casein, which is this slow-digesting protein that keeps feeding your muscles for hours. Salmon and cooked lentils are also absolutely incredible, super efficient sources to help you hit those daily targets without feeling ridiculously stuffed.
All right, let's pivot to section 3, fueling your brain for cognitive health.
When it comes to your brain, research points us directly to the MIND and Mediterranean diets. By prioritizing leafy greens, berries, and nuts, and by really focusing on healthy fats like olive oil and salmon, you're basically flooding your brain with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These specific dietary habits actively fight against oxidative stress, which, by the way, is just when harmful free radicals damage your brain cells. So limiting red meat, butter, cheese, and sweets while loading up on these brain boosters can actively lower your risk of cognitive decline.
Now, we live in an era where there's a pill or a powder for absolutely everything. But registered dietitians remind us of a pretty fundamental truth. Your absolute best source of nutrients is straight from your plate. Unless you have a specific diagnosed deficiency, the research shows there's just no strong data supporting the use of supplements to replace a solid diet. The absolute best way for your brain to absorb these protecting nutrients is through real, whole food.
Moving right along to Section 4, Hydration and Essential Habits. This is the holistic approach.
Check out this number. It is a shocking reality that nearly 1 in 2 older adults are at risk of malnutrition. Let that sink in for a second. Half. That makes building consistent, reliable daily health habits completely non-negotiable if you want to stay strong and independent in your own home.
By locking in a few key daily habits, you're creating a powerful defense against hospitalizations. First up, you absolutely must stay consistently hydrated. As we age, our natural thirst signals physically fade, which means you can easily become dehydrated without ever actually feeling thirsty. Crazy, right? You also need to actively add fiber for digestion and blood sugar stability. Make sure you're getting enough calcium and vitamin D to keep your bones from fracturing, and always, always watch out for that hidden sodium in processed foods.
And finally, Section 5, Easy No-Cook Solutions.
Honestly, this is the absolute best part of this explainer. How to actually get all this brilliant nutrition without spending hours standing at a stove. Just look at this. A beautiful yogurt parfait or a jar of overnight oats is literally a masterpiece of nutrition. By simply mixing some fresh fruit and oats with dairy, you're getting instant calcium for your bones, carbs for energy, and a massive hit of protein from the yogurt. And the best part? Zero cooking required. You just assemble it and boom, you are ready to eat.
Or, hey, try a chia seed pudding. It's so simple. You just add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to a cup of milk, maybe splash in a little sweetener, and just let it set itself in the fridge. That is literally it. Chia seeds absorb a ton of liquid, meaning this acts as a massive hydration and fiber bomb for your digestion, all while feeling like you're eating a rich, delicious dessert.
And what about a quick lunch or an afternoon snack? Simply smearing some natural peanut butter on a piece of whole grain toast or a graham cracker and topping it with some fresh sliced strawberries or bananas, it's perfect. It delivers healthy fats, protein, and a highly satisfying crunch. It takes seconds to make, requires zero culinary skill, and it feeds your brain exactly what it craves.
Finally, we all have those absolute zero energy days where even making toast feels like way too much work. For those days, you need to prep these 3-step no-bake protein balls. Just mix some oats, peanut butter, flaxseed, honey, protein powder, and a handful of chocolate chips in a bowl. Roll them up, pop them in the fridge. They stay good for a whole week, and they act as these perfect grab-and-go little nuggets of energy. You just pull one from the fridge whenever you need a boost. No cooking, no stress, just pure fuel.
I'm going to leave you with this final thought. Preserving your independence, protecting your brain, and maintaining your muscle mass. It doesn't require a master chef's kitchen or hours of exhausting prep. It really just takes a bit of intention. So, I have to ask, which of these effortless, no-cook meals are you going to try today to start building a stronger, more energized tomorrow? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I absolutely cannot wait to guide you through our next topic.